This recording was made on October 22nd, 2018. I was working with the horses, getting the burrs out of their manes, and all of a sudden, what was a quiet afternoon turned into a flurry of vehicles driving by. This vehicle is Schilberg's water truck, and I watched it go by. You can see the images on the horses over here, but it's the image that was projected. Go through it slow so you can see it coming. Right there. That's Schilberg's water truck projecting an image right on me working with the horses. Go back. There. It's that same hologram image that I've recorded before. It's coming out of the truck window. You can see it's made the images visible on Navajo's body that they put on. When they shave them, they put on designs. That's how they killed my Choctaw. There's the water truck. Here's the image. Here's the faces on Navajo. Projected holograms. I have absolutely no privacy, no matter what I do or where I go.